walking home from the campsite. This is taking me all morning. Oh, look! The magic mirror! Okay, Fourtuna, let's give this a try. Mirror, mirror in the tree, what kind of day will Fourtuna see? Okay, I got the flour done, and now it's time for my secret spice. Wow, I sure baked a lot of muffins. I wonder if I'm going to share some of those. Oh, I do! Wow! That plate of muffins was sure licked clean. I better get going. I have a lot of baking to do. I can't wait to eat Fourtuna's muffins. It was so nice of her to share them. But first, Twothy, you gotta get your work done. Those muffins up there smell amazing. I really want one. Meow. Flip over! Meow. Oh, hey, Keight. Meow. Aw, Keight, you're so silly. How embarrassing. It's a good thing Twothy didn't see. I'm a cat and I can't even climb a tree. Okay, Twothy, let's get back to work. Keight, if you want a muffin, you're going to have to try this again. Just jump up on the ledge and grab a muffin. This time without falling. You can do it. You're a cat. I'm finally finished. Twothy turned around. Now it's too late. Meow. Oh, Keight, you're still here. Meow. You sound a little hangry. You wouldn't want to try a muffin, would you? Meow. Are you going to share some, Keight? Come on, scoot over. Oh, that's an interesting spice she chose. Yeah, Keight, the rest is all yours. Who knew cats liked muffins so much? Boy, does Keight have this plate licked clean. Oh, Twothy must have brought my plate back. And she left a note. Dear Fourtuna, thank you for the muffins. What is your secret spice? Keight had that plate licked clean. Love, Twothy and Keight. Oh, that's so sweet of Twothy. I should really tell her what my secret spice is. That's not nutmeg. That's catnip. Oops. You know, I don't remember seeing that in the magic mirror.